Ivan with DIY Detail. We often get asked, can I detail outside? Can I use the gold standard in direct sunlight on a warm day? Well, today's a warm day. It's in the 80s. It's windy. The sun is in and out, but it will be here for a while. And I'm going to be polishing the fender of my truck and leaving it for a couple hours, baking in the sun, and then come back and we'll see how easily or how hard it is to wipe off. Always start with a clean, damp pad. Then one spray of the gold standard. And let's start polishing. Now that we've polished, let me show you the time and the temperature. It's 11:03, 81 degrees, and partly cloudy. Now, the truck at the moment is facing due south, and we'll let it go for a couple hours. I'll be back probably around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Have fun. I'm back. It's 3 o'clock. It's 86 degrees, and it's about to rain. But before it rains, let's go wipe off that polish. See how we did. Normally we would wipe off polish residue using a damp towel, but I'm going to be using a dry towel. And direct sunlight, as you can see in the time lapse you saw, was cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny. It's 86 degrees, it's sunny, it's breezy, it's hot. Panel temperature is not exactly cold either. Yeah, and with a dry towel, wipes off effortlessly the way gold standard should. So for those of you that were asking, can gold standard be used in direct sunlight on a sunny day outside? Yes, you can. Should you? Probably not. But if you have to, you can. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below. And we'll see you in the next one.